taas ng blood pressure mo. When you get your blood pressure na yan, you want to see? If you're just anxious yesterday. Pwede mo kasi ng blood pressure na yan.
Opo.
I just finished the presentation. I'm still...
Anxious ka kanina?
Yeah.
Wala, natin na yan. Pwede mo siya ng blood pressure.
Kumakain pa eh.
Tapos na.